How to increase Klarna spending limit. Now in this video, I'm going to be giving you out 5 specific things for you to be able to have increase your spending limit by using this platform. The first, there is no actually manual increase. What you want to have to do first is of course to build a strong payment history, settle outstanding balances, avoid overdue or failed payments, then use the app more often by their shop features right here, like for travel, home, fashion, sport, and so on and so forth. And then, of course, accept adjusted plans. Meaning, if a specific purchase exceeds your limit, Klarna may offer a higher first installment, and then if you accept that or accepting this can actually allow the purchase. So those are just the very basic 5 steps for you to be able to increase your Klarna spending limit.